I was born in Boston, Massachusetts, to immigrant parents. I grew up in the inner city of Boston, very much like the inner city of St. Louis. In fact, I grew up in the same neighborhood as Barty B. Brown. That was my claim to fame. Went to college and received all of my education in Boston. First, my undergraduate degree at Simmons College, a master's degree at Northeastern University, and completing my education with a doctorate at Boston College. I fell in love with Barnes-Jewish Hospital. Living in Boston, I only knew of some of the challenges of St. Louis, not of the beautiful things about St. Louis. And what I saw was an amazing healthcare jewel in St. Louis, great people doing tough work, and an organization that had a real commitment to equity. So there was an alignment between my passions and purpose and the mission of Barnes-Jewish Hospital. And my husband, who is my greatest supporter and biggest fan, reminded me that this is an opportunity to serve and where my two passions will be utilized. So it's all his fault. I learned from my own lived experience that it's not often about ability, but about opportunity. And so I want to help to work with teams to create opportunities for access to healthcare and access to education, all those things that I know contribute to great health outcomes. I was motivated by two things, motivated and inspired by the colleagues that I have the opportunity to work with, the teams that showed up every day during the most difficult times to serve this community. And I believe that every single patient deserves extraordinary care, and I'm inspired every day to make sure that I can play some small part in making sure that happens. There's no higher recognition than recognition from your peers. And it really validated for me that a career that was committed to equity, that my peers really saw the value in that. It also demonstrated to me the wonderful people that I've had an opportunity to work with. And my career is such an example of great mentorship and partnership and teamwork and collaboration with amazing peers. And so to have that recognized by my colleagues has been really exciting for me. There's two things. One is grateful for all the mentorship that I received, and that's why I'm here. And then second is looking back at the careers that I've been able to influence and see how they're making an impact. There has been many opportunities to have many different jobs and career opportunities, but there's only one opportunity to raise great human beings. And I have been blessed to have 3 children. My oldest is a pastor in Texas, touching many lives. My second child is in Michigan getting her PhD, and my third is finishing college. And so I hope that that is my legacy, one of my legacies. And then professionally, it's really about mentoring and touching as many people as I can. And the third is, I used to not want to share my story, but if my story brings hope and inspiration to others that they can be anything they want to be, then I heard that that's the third thing that I've accomplished.